the thing is,
So how you doing? First, I'm Buck.
I'm Polo.
Polo? You drive a truck?
Yeah.
Long time, huh?
No, it's not for a long time.
So what
Around
experience?
three,
4 years? No problem. What experience did you have before with the truck?
With the
Yes.
All right. The first thing, I don't pay because I don't have too much experience. I just find out when I use my truck bobtail, when they hit the hole,
Pothole.
yeah, always make a noise, blah 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 blah, like that.
Something hitting, right?
Yeah, blah blah blah.
Yeah,
But
same like me.
Yeah, but I think it was this.
You thought the hood.
Yeah,
Me too.
I thought it was the hood.
Okay.
But it was the engine do like this.
So the whole engine is going up.
Yeah, going up. So what happened is when the engine move, so your fan is attached to the engine. So my fan hit this plate.
It hit that rubber
It hit the
shield.
cover. Yeah, that's the cover, right?
cover. Yes.
Yeah. So one of the things breaks.
One of the fan.
Yeah, breaks, right? So the thing was inside the radiator and break down.
One fan plate just did everything. Oh my goodness.
So the bad thing is I only have like 3 months. I put the radiator through.
No way.
Yeah. So that was one thing. So I have to replace the radiator, the fan, then I drive my truck like 3 miles without antifreeze.
What?
But don't
it didn't get overheat.
Don't get overheat.
It didn't get overheat.
But I break the water pump.
You broke the water pump?
Yeah. So
why there's no antifreeze?
Yeah, because when the thing breaks down,
Damn it.
throw out all the antifreeze.
Oh, but did you put the new radiator?
No. I say when that happened.
Everything else.
Yeah. When that happened, I was
fan,
yeah.
the engine mount, the fan, the radiator, the water pump. Everything all together.
All together.
How much did it cost you? Everything.
I is paying that around $2,000.
$2,000. Oh
yeah,
my
because
God.
The water pump costs like $400, so they charge like $300 for replace. It's very hard to replace that.
Very difficult.
Yeah, because it's in the bottom. They have to take it out.
Everything you gotta remove. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, right.
Well, guys, you heard. This is Buck. You want to be a truck driver, you got to consider it's best you work for a company for a couple of years and know the facts, know the reasons, what you're going to end up, how much it's going to cost you. The best thing is, here's a guy who went through experience. I didn't know even my radiator bracket was broken, because when you have a bushing problem, you got the bushings give you a hard rock, potholes, cracked this. I'm glad it didn't break my engine mounts and anything else, I don't know, but problem after problem. So we're gonna do 3 things today. I'm gonna have to get, like I said, we're gonna do the radiator, we're gonna do the seal, we're gonna do hanger bearing, brake adjustments, oil change, and service. Well, thank you for the information.
All right.
It's a good lesson. See you guys later.